Reebok Angel Reese 1 Paradise Pink is making waves as the first ever kids sizing release in Angel Reese's growing signature line. With her explosive rise in basketball, business, and fashion, Angel continues to inspire a new generation, especially young girls who look up to her journey on and off the court. This grade school exclusive mixes a bold paradise pink outer shell with sleek black details on the tongue, eyelets, and midsole, creating an aesthetic that's sporty, edgy, and confidently feminine. Fans of certain K-pop groups will instantly recognize the color theme, adding even more hype to the release. Dropping December 4th at 10 a.m. ET, the Angel Reese 1 arrives on the official Reebok website with a retail price of $100 for G sizes. As the buzz around Angel Reese continues to rise, this new colorway marks a major milestone for her signature line, offering young hoopers a stylish, standout sneaker built for on-court performance and everyday flex.